Zeba is not only a great chocolate woman, but chocolatier. But what did we call you? The chocolate lady long ago. 18 years or 20 years ago, when I interviewed her first, we had such a great time because we got a whole lot of children together and we did a workshop with children that many years ago. And we all had this melted chocolate in front of us. We put our hands into it and we on the face and the neck. And one of our best photographs is with Zeba doing this with a finger. And all. Great. Zeba, welcome to the show. Thank you so much for taking time off to come.
So Zeba had an ideal childhood. She would come home and she would be surrounded by chocolates and she could eat as many chocolates as she wanted. From there, she has become, the face and the heart and soul behind Fantasie chocolates. She's written a book on chocolate recipes. She's done TV shows and, she's done so many cooking demos and innovations and all of that. So I'm going to request Zeba to say a bit about what you feel about home bakers, home chefs. I mean, all these people who are, trying to start off their businesses. And when they look at people like you, I mean, you're out there and you're this big icon who's achieved these big things and, they wonder that when can we ever be there? So what is your words to them?
Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, children, everybody. So, it's very interesting to be introduced in such a huge, privileged, honorable way by Kalyan, by my very own Farzana of UpperCrust. Honestly and absolutely, I have not gone to any culinary school. I'm a physics student. I was removed from science college, put into business, and I was told, baby, you are the only grandchild. Now you have to take care. My mother got unwell. So then one of our departments was the chocolate department. So Fantasie hires the lesser privileged of society and we teach them computers. They're trained by all my chefs who are French, German, Swedish, you name it. Me, I run around all over the world because suddenly I got to be known and yes, I do have a very, very curious palate. And so I became a chocolatier. So pretty much I relate to all these wonderful people here. I think all of us have learned so much and I think our homepreneurs have put their time and their talent out there. And it's from their heart to ours, their home to ours. So I celebrate homepreneurs. Thank you, Kalyan. And thank you, my Farzu.
Thank you. So see, we have the sweetest judge for the sweetest category.
Hi everyone, I'm Janelle. So my brand is called Learn from Mom because who better do you learn from first when you go into the kitchen? It's your mom. I'm East Indian, alright? So I come from a little suburb called Bandra, which is full of bakeries and full of sweet treats and sweetmeats. I've enjoyed baking. I bake personally something called bundt cakes because it's old-fashioned, old world. It's going back to, your grandma's kitchen and eating a nice slice of cake, which is just a light sponge cake, perfect for tea.
But that's very true. So, she talks about her mom's bakes and the aromas. And when you sort of open the cake box, those are the sort of aromas which come in. So like I said, I mean, it's a dessert story, but everyone has their own story. And with that, your story.
Hi everyone, I'm Meeta and my brand name is Chiseled Meals by Meeta. Now many people might ask me and have already asked me why chiseled. My answer to that is just as a sculptor chisels his art. For me, cooking is that it's at that level. It's almost meditation for me. I realized about 8-10 years back how much I enjoy entertaining people, serving people. But I never thought of getting into it professionally until the lockdown happened. My brand is a lockdown baby. I'm Mona Adkar, having home bakery named Dough and Creme.
The interesting part about our home bakery, the USP would be that the products are gluten-free, keto-friendly, vegan and all of that. So it's quite a challenge that we enjoy taking up.
And please start, you've got half an hour to put it all together. And also our sponsors have given these Fable dark chocolate mousses, which our contestants are going to incorporate in their recipes.
You are so quiet and peaceful and diligently all set up, and I'm quite excited to know what you think and feel right now about what you're making.
No, honestly, I'm a little worried because things aren't going exactly as per my, I'm trying to make a caramel sauce.
I love it. I love it. That because all of us go through this. Please let me tell you. I've given a couple of TEDx talks. I'm constantly here, and the one constant that I feel is butterflies in my stomach every time I come in front of people. And let me tell you that it's just such a great place to be when you're always a bit, you have butterflies. I can see the color of your caramel coming together. So, what's the name of your dessert?
The name of my dessert is Zindagi Gulzar Hai because I firmly believe that life is full of all colors and we should experience all the colors. And the whole idea was to use the Fable chocolate which was given and giving it an Indian twist.
What inspired you to make Zindagi Gulzar Hai?
Ma'am, I don't know whether I should be telling this at this platform, but cooking is a very, very important part of my life. But there are other things which I value as much. Friendships, relationships, and pandemic especially has taught me that we should all experience all colors of life.
So I will tell you, this is the exact platform that you should share all this, because this is a platform which is all about the soul. I would love to know what you're making today.
Today I'm making Holi ka dahan. So basically it is Indian sweet gajar ka halwa on top of almond carrot cake.
Can you tell me a little bit about what inspired you today?
So, my mom used to make a chocolate walnut tart, and I wanted to do something fun, slightly different from the regular chocolate walnut, but something that kids would like and you can put together under 30 minutes. So, I'm doing an Oreo based tart.
So basically, you're inspired by your mother and the memory of that walnut tart. Chocolate is seriously versatile, and you can use it for many, many things. So if you ever get an opportunity to go to Kerala in the months of May and November, and you get to hold a cacao pod in your hand and with a machete allow the farmer to slice it and see the pulp inside, you can eat the pulp. It tastes as tart as a lychee. You can use it to make jellies, you can make milkshakes, and that is the real anti-aging, antioxidants. Now that is the real unprocessed fruit, which is incredible for your body.
So first we have Mona getting her participant certificate. So clap for her, everybody. And the next one is Meeta, participant.
Thank you so much.
So the winner makes it. Come here. You're the winner, Janelle. Trophy.